We're inside InterNACHI's free online How to Perform Deck Inspections course at Handrails. Stairs with 4 or more risers should have a handrail on at least one side. According to the International Standards of Practice for Commercial Inspections, ramps longer than 6 feet should also have handrails on both sides. This illustration here shows a proper stair handrail height from 34 inches to 38 inches. The handrail height should be between 34 and 38 inches, measured vertically from the sloped plane adjoining the tread nosing. This illustration here shows a stair handrail at a deck that is not graspable. Many deck handrails improperly consist of 2x6 inch lumber or decking. Handrails should be graspable, continuous, and smooth. And here are some illustrations of graspable handrails. Many decks have stairways with handrails going up, and they're just 2x6 pieces of lumber or decking. Again, handrails need to be graspable, continuous, and smooth. For horizontal guards at raised floor areas, balconies, and porches, there should be intermediate rails or ornamental closures that do not allow the passage of a 4-inch diameter sphere. Open risers should not allow the passage of a 4-inch sphere in diameter. On stairs with a total rise of 30 inches or less, the size of the open riser is not limited. The triangular area formed by a tread, riser, and guard should not allow a passage of a 6-inch sphere in diameter. The openings at guards on the sides of stair treads should not allow the passage of a sphere 4 3/8 inches in diameter. And this is the illustration here. This is a guard at the side of a stair. This is the opening. And this is allowing a passage of a sphere 4 3/8 inch in diameter. That's a hazard. And this is a 6-inch sphere here at the opening between the tread, the riser, and the guard. And so that's information about handrails and guards.